Welcome to Ayaz Tech. My name is Ayaz Zafar. In this video, you will learn how to install SSL certificate on your existing website on the Hostinger hosting. So before we begin, please make sure that you already have subscribed to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from my YouTube channel. So let's begin. So first of all, I assume that you already have your hosting, you already have purchased your package, and you have signed into your account. So after you sign into your account, you will see this dashboard, and here you will see another section that is saying setup lifetime SSL certificate, and it is free at this time. So as it is saying that install unlimited number of free lifetime SSL for each of your websites. So that is very amazing offer that you can install as many as SSL certificates for all of your domains without paying anything. So let's begin. Let's click on this setup button and wait. Here it will show you list of all of the domains or subdomains that have no SSL certificate installed so far. So I have several subdomains in my account, but at this time I only have one subdomain that has no SSL certificate installed. So let's click on the install SSL and wait. At this time, so let's open my store. Okay, as it is saying that SSL is successfully installed and your SSL is now installed and we have automatically forced HTTPS on your domain. You can visit your website from this address. So as you can see, it has HTTPS in the URL. Also, if you open the website, you will see HTTPS here, and also you can see a lock icon that means that SSL certificate is installed successfully. And you can also read that it is saying that connection is secure. That's mean your website is now secure and SSL is installed. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and also like and share my video and also comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.